The pace of change in the world today is extremely swift, rendering concepts like open and closed outdated. Customers now begin their purchasing journeys online, without the involvement of sellers. To stay competitive in this environment, it is essential to provide customers with exactly what they want, precisely when they want it. This requires a great deal of actionable knowledge, such as understanding when customers require assistance, whether they prefer to help themselves, what their real needs are, even when they may not be able to articulate them, and what they may be interested in next. It also necessitates the ability to gauge their real-time reaction to your messaging and learn from each interaction to improve future service. Achieving a complete understanding of your customer is a challenging task, but it is critical to breaking down barriers and bringing all relevant information to bear during each interaction. It is crucial to prioritize your customers and their journey by ensuring that all their interactions are closely monitored in real time. This requires an intimate connection between the customer interactions across the entire journey through to the people, processes, and systems within your business. Customer experience has now become an everything and everyone endeavor. To stay ahead of the rapidly evolving customer expectations, you must anticipate the changes and develop a foresight to assimilate emerging trends. Developing "see around the corner" capability is now becoming a key differentiator. We understand that this can be quite overwhelming, but we are here to help you prepare for any challenge that may come your way. This is where the CEM method can play a vital role. We are passionate about persuading you to prioritize your customers and take advantage of the CEM method to stay ahead of the game.